Many things are fun. Sorry, I'm not willing to hear your counterpoint. So going with that indisputable fact, tiny gadgets are great, too, especially tiny phones. You thought Apple's iPhone SE marked the return of BB phones? You might want to sit down. I have news. There's a smaller phone. Maybe the smallest touchscreen phone ever? The Vphone8 has a 1.54-inch display and one button. That button is a power button. It does come with 3 virtual buttons, too, but whatever. Google tells me the previous smallest touchscreen phone was this dual SIM phone with a 2.45-inch display. We're not talking about that phone, though. We're talking about how tiny the Vphone8 is. Tiny. The phone appears to have a speaker and microphone, but you could also use Bluetooth earbuds to make a call or plug some into the headphone jack. Yep, it has a headphone jack. I know, right? The S8 also has a built-in FM radio, a heart rate sensor, a pedometer, a light sensor, 64 megabytes of RAM, 128 megabytes of storage, 380 mAh battery. Some of you might read these stats and think they're sad. I kind of agree, but I just really love how little this phone is, so it cancels out depressing spec reality. What's definitely clear here is that Vphone8 is just a smartwatch turned into a phone. Samsung made its Gear S2 with LTE connectivity. Is that a phone or watch? Are smartwatches just phones? Or are phones just smartwatches? The lines are so blurred, and I'm getting confused about language. The S8 appears to only be available in China. So we, once again, will have to keep dreaming. I'm trying, everyone. I think if we dream hard enough we can force these cool phones to appear in front of us. Will it?